Welcome back. In the previous video, we have seen how to copy the master template onto different folder location with the person name, whatever we have it in the CSV file. In this video, we will see how to replace the text inside the Word document. So for that purpose, we need to use the Word application scope. When you type on Word here, it shows in the activity field the Word application scope, Word activity packages. If you don't find, you just include the Word activity from the manage packages. If you click on this one, you could see over here, I have installed the UiPath Word activity. So because of that, I am able to use the Word application scope. So before starting, before working with any Word activity, we have to use the scope of that Word application. Word application scope activity. Inside the Word application scope activity, we need to specify the location of the file where we have to perform the actions or some task. So I have given the path Word files because we have already copied the Word file with the respective username, but the data is not copied, actual data. So Word files and row name dot toString dot docx file. So this is also inside a for each loop. You could see over here inside a for each loop. So in each iteration, it will find the docx file and start replacing text. For replacing text in document, so I have used the replace text in document inside the do. So when you add the Word application scope, it will expect two parameters. One is the source from where it should access the docx file, and another part is the do of action will be there inside that, what it should do after getting the access to that Word file. So in this do activity, what I've done is I use the replace text in document. In the replace text document, we have the search for. We have to give the search for field. I have given the name placeholder because if you move on to this project and the settings here, master template, in the master template, so the name is there, this is the placeholder. So we have to specify the activity where it should search, what text it should search on the document. So the name, division, sales, the same placeholder text I have given over here in the search for name, and what should replace. So it should replace with the name of the user, and also I have given the replace all wherever it finds this matches the particular placeholder text, it will replace the text with the name of user or person. Similarly, I have done for all the placeholders, name, division, and also sales with respected data which we got it from the CSV file inside the data table. Okay, so this is happening. Okay, so let me run now the process how it works actually. Let us see. I'll just run this process. I'll go to okay, I'll just don't save, click one, this one. Okay, fine. It started updating one by one. That all the templates got updated now. 1000 INR, and I think two more templates are there. Okay, one template is there. I think it's done its job. Well done. The robot executed successfully. You could see the generated report for each uh, person over here, the document name with the person name, and if you open this one, it successfully updated the value. So in this video we will see, we have seen how to update the text inside the doc. Okay, so in the coming videos we'll see how to generate a PDF file using this one. Thank you for watching this video.